I've been exploring the Payoneer mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Payoneer mobile app. First, let's talk about what Payoneer's mobile app actually offers as a business payments tool. It's built to help freelancers and companies receive global payments in currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, and more, then either withdraw to a local bank in over 150 countries or spend via a Payoneer card, which is great if you work with international clients regularly. You can also pay suppliers, contractors, and service providers in more than 200 countries, track multiple currency balances, and benefit from competitive conversion rates that are meant to keep costs predictable for cross-border payouts. On top of that, there are extra features like VAT payments and working capital options for marketplace sellers, plus 24/7 multilingual support, which many small businesses will appreciate when something goes wrong. Now, in terms of interface and day-to-day use, the app is designed so you can monitor payments, manage balances, and add new recipient bank details directly during the payment flow, which helps you complete transfers a bit faster without jumping to a desktop dashboard. The ratings are generally positive, with many users praising support in tough situations like disputes or potential scams, and that reinforces the idea that this isn't just a bare-bones wallet, but a more complete business payment hub. With that said, it's not perfect, and there are a few issues worth mentioning. Some users complain about high transaction or withdrawal fees, especially on smaller amounts where a flat fee feels steep, and delays in withdrawals that can stretch to weeks in worst-case scenarios, which is obviously stressful if you rely on funds for things like tuition or operating expenses. Others described rare but serious frustrations around frozen or pending transfers. And while support often steps in effectively, these experiences show that you should treat Payoneer as a powerful global payment solution, but still keep backup options and avoid parking money you absolutely cannot afford to have delayed. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.